Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video, I will not be discussing any new concept of Business Central, but basically just like to inform you that since BC27 is already released publicly last week, or I could say from 2nd of October, I would say it is already released. So now I hope that all your apps are already compatible with the BC27, and all your customers who already moved to the BC27, they are using your apps, which whether they are PTE apps or the app source apps, they are using it comfortably without any problem. So as we all know that world is moving at a very fast pace, so we also have to think about the same. And due to the fact that Microsoft releases every new major version twice in a year, so it's high time that we should start preparing ourselves and our portfolio of apps against the upcoming version of Business Central, which is BC28, or I would say Business Central 2026 release wave 1. Right, guys? So the point is that since BC27 is already released, and now we have to start working you know with BC28 to make our current apps compatible with them. Okay, so as you can see from my current screen, I have already set up a container of BC28. This is Business Central 2028. Or if I show you the help and support menu from here also, you can see here that I'm running the version AU, means Australia, Business Central 28, platform 28.0, and application is 28.0. So this means that Microsoft have already released a Docker based Business Central container for upcoming version, so that you guys can test your apps, make your apps compatible with this version, so that at last minute you will not face any issues with respect to your apps compatibility. Right right now there is no on-prem version is available of BC28 for testing, or nor any SaaS based version is available. Only Docker based version is currently available. And how you can create the same, it is very simple. You can always first of all install the Docker engine, and then you can install the BC container helper module. I have already created a video in the past like how you can install both the things. And then basically there is one command through which you can check uh, what is the current version going on, what are the next major minor versions going on with respect to Business Central container. So this is the command called get-bc artifact URL. And here, like for example, you can type country1 parameter as w1, or maybe any localization in which you or your company deals. Then the select, which is like whether you want to know what is the current version going on, what is the next major version going on, and what is the next minor version is going to come up. Okay, so for example, if I select next major, then I have to add one more parameter, which is called accept insider EULA, which means that now I will be able to run this command without any error, and it will give me the current next major version against the country W1, which is released by the Microsoft. Okay, so for when you are running this, you can see that it is currently running, and it will give me the output, which is now it is showing that 28.0.40839. And if I show you up my version, it is 404. So you can see that Microsoft now have already started like working on the 28. They are fixing some issues which are and adding new more features into this particular thing, because they have to release it in the next version next year. And thus this number you might see every week gets updated, right? So first, this is the major number, second is a minor number, this third, which is a build number, is going to be increased every week, so that it's a sign for you that you have to refresh your container every week, so that you can make your apps uh, tested through this container. Like you can first of all spin up this container, then install your apps. If they are app source apps, then of course you can install them through this uh, page also called extension management, right? So you can come up to this page and install all your app source apps from here only. Or if you have the PTE apps, then you can also install the PTE apps from this page itself, and which will help you to know that whether your apps are really compatible or not with respect to this version. And like installation is fine, there is no problem with the installation. However, from the compilation perspective also, or let's say you get some error, then you can always spin up, like you can open the visual code, and then uh, because you have the container ready, so you can create a new project in VS Code for against this container, and then start checking the compatibility issue, the compilation issues of your apps, right? So that is the thing. Like you can click on app source gallery, or like you can upload the extension which you have developed locally, and you can test the same. So that's what I as actually said, that you have to run this command every week to know whether your version is similar to what Microsoft have released in the latest part. And I still recommend, like I'm highly recommending this thing to you, that please start checking your apps as like every week. Otherwise, in case if you do not have a look over it, then there will be a problem next year during the March month, that your apps might not be uh, compatible with this version, and then you might face a lot of challenges, right? So it's quite good that you should start working early. So that's the only information I wanted to share in this today's video. I hope you like it. In case you like it, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.